At RIX Automotive, we specialize in Japanese auto repair. Whether it's routine maintenance, diagnosing a check engine light, or tackling a major mechanical or electrical problem, our team works on the same makes and models every day, delivering a seamless, stress-free, and consistent customer service experience we've built on transparency, clear and timely communication, and expert guidance. It is the #1 reason why our customers say we stand out and why they return to RIX for all their automotive service needs. We lead with transparency. Every vehicle gets a digital inspection complete with photos and videos, so you see exactly what we see here at the shop. There's no guesswork, no surprises, just honest information to help you make informed decisions. Communication is key. While your vehicle's in the shop, you'll get updates throughout the day via text or phone, so you're never left wondering what's going on with your vehicle. Because we specialize in Japanese vehicles, we're able to give you expert, tailored guidance, not one-size-fits-all advice. We take the time to understand how you drive and what your car really needs. All of this is designed to create a service experience you can trust, from a 24/7 key drop and after-hours pickup service to online payments and even complimentary loaner vehicles for qualifying repairs. At RIX Automotive, we're not just fixing cars, we're empowering drivers. With the passion of enthusiasts, the precision of experts, and the service of people who truly care, come see why our customers say RIX is different.